So what is it over here?
This is a Miss Pacman tabletop arcade that you can buy on Amazon for $200.
Amazon 2. All right. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it.
Is it worth it?
Is it worth it? You said it's 4-in-1, right?
No, it's 12 in 1.
12 in 1.
It's like my shampoo.
It's as many games as there are pounds. 12 in 1 shampoo. Wait. Shame.
Toothpaste,
Shame.
foot wash, body wash, shampoo, conditioner, deodorant.
All right, we're gonna cut the time lapse of me opening this thing up. So when I got out of the box, I'm gonna go ahead and get it plugged in and we're gonna see how it works. This is sitting in the front of PC Bros, by the way. The other half of the Toasty Bros. The Toasty Bros are back there. But this is their business where we sell computers. If you ever wanna buy one from us, I think we have some on display. Yeah, there we go, look at that. You can look it up and come on in here and play this machine if you want. But let's go ahead and get it plugged in. We're now plugged in, let's see if it turns on. We'd hope. Hey, loading. There we go. Let's see what the sound's like. Gonna turn the volume up. Game selection. So I like Dig Dug. That's what we're gonna go with for first.
Oh my god, it is so cute.
It is adorable. You come to visit in.
$200 for this?
What?
I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger.
Dig Dug 2. Now I don't know Dig Dug 2 very well. I know Dig Dug, but I don't know if Dig Dug 2 is gonna be different. I believe it is. Okay, so I have a jackhammer. So I need to go, oh, that was quick. Let's try it again. Let's just stick to this button. I have digged and dugged. I don't really know what I did, to be quite frank with you, but it's done. Oh, that works. All right, look at that. Well, Dig Dug. Cute little machine, about yay big. There's a halftime. So there's my hand up against the screen to give you an idea how big it is. But you can buy it on Amazon and play through some Pacman, Dig Dug, or the like. Can I go ahead and turn you off? Oh, so the volume switch, you can actually control how loud. Probably should have had it lower because I'm in an office, but we'll call that game over. I mean, it's a Miss Pacman machine, so we should do Miss Pacman, right?
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
Matt says yes. All right, then good. We'll start this up. You'll see me fail a little bit, and then we'll be good. Pinky, Blinky. There we go. Let's go to the. Dude, sometimes I surprise myself.
No, McAllister. Oh.
I wanted it.
Oh. Whoa. Use some jukes, man. Oh.
They tried to cut me off. That was scary. I didn't like that. The pro circuit of Miss Pacman. Oh no, I thought I cut him off. I thought I'd beat him. Apparently I'm not fast enough. Not quick enough on my feet. Well, I'll just finish this level since I'm already there. Pretty nifty little arcade cabinet. I'm gonna go ahead and throw away the box and all that. It's gonna be here at PC Bros. If you wanna come play it, you're welcome. Our address is online and you can come here, buy a PC possibly, play the arcade cabinets possibly. But that's it for me, and go ahead and like, subscribe, do the whole bit, and peace.